Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome black welcome black and white. Welcome back to the blog. It is a beautiful day here in sunny Utah. Wait a minute, I live in New Mexico. I got a new dash cam system that I'm very anxious to try out. Eagle Eye's new 3 plus optional 4th dash cam system. I believe that's the number 4 camera. That's one of the other cameras right there. There's another camera. And there is the forward-facing 1080 camera. Man, it is a beautiful day here today. That is ridiculously cool. That is awesome. Is that an old Toyota? So, this is an old Toyota SR5. This is awesome. What's your name? Rip. Nice. That's really cool. God, what size tires are these? Super Swampers. Oh, okay. So you get really good gas mileage on them, I'm assuming. Yeah, like what? 13. Exactly. Oh, this is. Well, the next time I get stuck, man, I'm calling you. I'm going to start off with some positive points about the dash cam system. Price point, it was about $340. I used a online promo code from dashcam.com, Falcon Electronics, and I have to give them a huge shout out because their support, their customer service is outstanding. The system takes 128 gigabyte micro SD card, which is great because it just allows you to use the system and not have to download your data right away. That it uses a single power source. So basically all 4 cameras start recording the minute the power is turned on. You can easily sync all of the footage was a real plus. And I found that editing the footage concurrently all together was pretty easy to do. How small it is. The actual front camera, the 1920 by 1080 that mounts to the front windshield, is really no bigger than a mobile phone. But I really like the fact that the cameras are small, and with the little metallic mounting plate that each of them have, they were able to mount easily on the suction mounted magnets that I have on my windows. It did record for the most part in high resolution. Some of the negative points about the system. The 4th optional camera records in 720 by 480. And when I went to go edit that footage, it was so grainy that it was unusable for me. Now, I think if you're to buy this system, for what they advertise it for, like a 360 camera system for your car, I think it would be just fine for that application. I got some memory errors when I first installed the micro SD cards, and they do tell you to format the cards. They don't really tell you how to do it. Basically, I put 1 card in at a time and I formatted it. That way I knew each card was formatted correctly. The fact that that's not real intuitive on how to format both cards, I had to confirm that with the Falcon Electronics customer support folks. There's no external power cable for you to plug in just to like a regular USB port. The only way that you can set up the system is using the lighter accessory charger. There's a way in the mode settings where you can turn off the date time stamp, and I turned it off. But when I found, when I was reviewing the footage of all 4 cameras, 2 of the recordings actually had the date time stamp still displaying on it. When I was transferring the video footage, 2 of the recordings had the footage horizontally flipped. So as you can see here in this footage, you can tell that I'm driving an American car. I'm seated on the left-hand side. Well, when you looked at the footage, it looked like I was driving on the right-hand side. All in all, I think this system is really good if it meets your application needs. It did not particularly meet the application purposes that I want to use it for, and so therefore it's a little too expensive for what I think I want to spend. That's why I'm not going to be keeping this system. Once again, a huge shout out to Falcon Electronics, dashcam.co. Check out their website. Customer support is absolutely stellar. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description to this product and to their website. Thanks for tuning in to XCD. If you like my content, please give me a like. I encourage you to subscribe. And until we meet again, you guys be blessed.